What's up guys, it's Israel getting here again with another amazing video for you guys. I know a lot of people like to buy gadgets, whether it's phone, whether it's headset, whether it's something like this I'm wearing, or whether it's a mic like this, or whether it's a laptop and something like that, or an iPhone. I know that it's pretty expensive depending on which one you want to buy. Now today in this video, I'm going to be showing to you a platform that allows you to buy these phones or these gadgets instrumentally and at a cheaper price compared to Jumia, Konga, Amazon and every other platforms like that. Now this platform has over 90,000 monthly visits, meaning that 90,000 people actually check this platform, and on the platform there are several things you can get on it: headsets, anything that is gadget, whether you want to get a laptop or whether I want to get an headphone, or whether I want to get a new mouse, or anything that is worthwhile that you want to use for your business, or you want to use maybe as a YouTuber or as a content creator or as a digital creator. And also in this video I'll be comparing the prices of this platform as well as prices of Jumia platform for you to know the differences in the prices. And now you guys should be able to buy on this platform, and now you can also pay on the platform because you can actually pay instrumentally, so you can pay 4 times on the platform depending on the products you want to buy. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So welcome back guys. So the name of the platform that allows you to buy products at a cheaper price and also allow you to pay for it instrumentally, so you can actually pay for it 4 times depending on the type of product you want to buy. The name of the platform is called Obiwezy. Now Obiwezy is a platform that allows you to pay for products. You see several products on the platform: PS4, PlayStation cards here on the platform. So all you need to do is, if you are looking for a product, click on December this. You see several things you can buy: headset on the platform, you see Samsung phone on the platform. They have several digital products that you can buy on the platform. You can also check the bestseller. Under the bestseller, you see products that are best selling on the platform. For example, if you want to buy an headphone as well, a Green Lion true wireless headphone, you can also buy a wireless controller and other things like that. Now if you are looking for an iPhone, and let's assume you want to buy an iPhone on this platform, now all you need to do is just type the iPhone that you want to buy: iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now after you must have clicked on it, you see the iPhone. Now like I told you guys, you can actually make payment for these products 4 times, so you can pay instrumentally. So for this iPhone now, the price is 1,110,000. And then you see here, you can actually pay for it instrumentally, so you can pay 277,500. Now once you have 277,500 and it's something that you can actually pay for instrumentally, so all you need to do is just go to the platform here and then click on add chat. You have to select the size, so you can click on 256 GB. So after you must have clicked on that, you can click on add chat. After you must have clicked on add chat, you can actually view on the chart to see the product you buy. So you see it is Apple iPhone 14 Pro. Now after you must have clicked on update shopping cart, you can click on proceed to checkout. Now after you must have clicked on proceed to checkout, you fill your first name, your address, your phone number, your city, your postal code, your mobile number, and then you click on update. Now after you must have clicked on update, what it does is that automatically your address will be on their platform, and then you can begin to pay for the platform instrumentally. You have to get to the mid payment of the product before the product actually gets to you. So once you want to pay for an iPhone, which is worth 1,110,000 naira, so what it does is that after you must have paid an amount of money, so let's assume you have paid 500,000 naira, you can actually get delivered the product. And once you get delivered the product, you can begin to use it and complete the payment afterwards. It's as easy as that. Like I also told you, I'll also be comparing the prices of this platform with the prices of phones on Jumia as well. So for example, if you click on this platform, you see that they have Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max, which is a dual SIM, and it costs 1,110,000 naira, and it's currently available in stock. You see the color, this particular color, the brand is Apple. Now if you check Jumia on the platform, you will see that the price is a little bit higher. It is 1,500,000. So the difference between Obiwezy and Jumia is actually 350,000 naira. And of course, Obiwezy gives you the opportunity to actually pay instrumentally. You have to pay 4 times. Even if you don't have all the money to pay for the product, you pay 4 times. And after you must have gotten to the mid payments for the product, you can actually get delivered the product as well. So let's assume you want to buy a MacBook from Obiwezy as well. So all you need to do is like go to the platform and type MacBook. And once you have typed MacBook, you see that the price is 1,300,000. 70,000 naira with 16 GB RAM, 512 SSD storage. So comparing it to Jumia price, so if you click on Jumia, you see that the price is 1,505,000. So you see that the difference between them is also quite much, over 150,000 naira difference in Obiwezy and also Jumia platform. So you see that there's a lot of difference on the platform, paying instrumentally, especially if you don't have all the money, than just buying on Jumia as well. So it's something that you should check out, and it's really amazing. They have over 90,000 visits monthly, and they have Nigeria as the largest user of this platform. So it's something that you should try out if you want to buy a product online and you are looking for where to buy products at a cheaper rate and at a better and convenient way. So Obiwezy is a platform that you should check out. I'll put the link of the platform in the description below. Make sure you check it out, and you will be amazed by what you will see in this platform. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, switch on the notification button, make sure you like this video, and make sure you share this video to your friends, especially your friends that want to change a laptop or want to buy a new gadget. They will definitely love it. I will see you in the next video.